In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Meet meeting link, complete with its title and timing, through WhatsApp. This method is perfect for those wanting to coordinate meetings and share the essential details efficiently and easily with your contacts. So let's dive right into the steps. First, navigate to Google Calendar. This is your starting point, as all your meetings will be scheduled from this platform. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll need to select a specific date and time for your meeting. You can easily do this by clicking on the day you intend to hold the meeting, which will open up the scheduling dialog. Now, let's move on to naming your meeting. In the space provided, type in the title of your Google meeting. This will help attendees know the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Next, you'll want to click on More Options. This will give you additional settings to fine-tune the details of your meeting. Once you're in the detailed view, look for the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing and click on it. By doing this, Google will automatically generate a Meet link for your event. It's also a good practice to add any additional attendees by typing their emails into the provided field. This ensures everyone receives the necessary information and calendar invite. Once you've ensured all details are correct, proceed to click on Save. A pop-up will appear asking whether you want to send invites to your new attendees. Click on Send. This ensures your attendees get notified right away and have the link added to their calendars too. Now that your meeting is set up, click on the created Google meeting in your calendar. This opens up the meeting details window where you'll see the link and other relevant details of the meeting. Click on Copy Conference Info. This will copy all necessary information, including the link, title, and timing, to your clipboard, ready to be shared. To share this info on WhatsApp, head over to either the WhatsApp application or WhatsApp Web. Once you are on WhatsApp, click on New Chat, select the contact or group you wish to share the information with, then paste the conference details from your clipboard into the chat box. After pasting, all that's left to do is hit Send. Your meeting link, along with its details, is now shared on WhatsApp. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Meet details via WhatsApp. Whether you're scheduling a team meeting, an interview, or a casual family chat, these steps will ensure everyone has all the details they need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.